What's funny about this car is that the exterior is exquisite. Bags, it has nice wheels, but other than that, this thing is still very much stock, which is kind of cool because it doesn't feel like a overly modified car that you're hearing all the creaks and everything. The interior is still pretty quiet in here, you know? Some people might not like that. This type of car with this type of kit, you're not really racing it, right? You're not trying to be Hans from Tokyo Drift. You're just enjoying it. So this thing is pretty cool. About to get on the freeway. I got it aired out in a nice ride height position. Hit the local 76 here and get to the beach, take some nice pictures. And really, this is the first time that I'm driving it out of the shop ever. This customer's been waiting, very patient with us, but I hope that he's really ecstatic on it. He already saw the car and he was super happy. We're just working out some of the bugs. Brought us different tail lights, so we had to, you know, make those work. Didn't have the JDM side markers, so we had to make those work. Just a bunch of little things. You know, we've been out of the shop the last couple weeks for days at a time for a new project that we've been working on. Can't tell you guys all the details, but we can tell you is that it's going to be on a major streaming service. So that's all I'm allowed to say. You might see it on our personal Instagrams and maybe the shop that will be kind of dropping some hints now and then, but we really can't talk about it so much. Pretty cool. This guy is literally risking his life for the shot right now. John, dude, the G. We made it down to downtown Oceanside. We're about to get next to the beach to go to the OG spot. California has been like all muggy and stuff, but today it's a nice day. We're about to flex on this McLaren over here because our car did not come like this. Thank you. Thank you, man. Damn. That was cool. Now you know you're in a sick car when the exotic car owner was like, nice car, man. That was pretty cool. I don't know if I got it on camera because I'm over here driving in on my phone, which I probably shouldn't be. You know, we gotta show you guys the vlog, gotta give you the whole experience, what it's like driving in a Veilside, man. Guy over here getting the shots. Beachside, real nice. My buddy came by. All right, man, that beach shoot was crazy. That's gonna be some heaters, and that's probably where we're gonna get the thumbnail. Yeah, man, this was quite an experience. Nothing but love on this car. We're heading back to the shop. I gotta turn in a couple cars today. Finishing page, you'll see some clips of this thing, so enjoy. All right, guys, it is finally time to say goodbye to the Veilside RX7. And to kind of wish him away, we got a nice little toy that we painted to color match his Veilside RX7. It was a lot of fun working on this thing, a lot of time, a labor of love. I think, you know, the results speak for themselves. It looks great, and we're really happy with the overall.
I think like growing up with me and Oscar started this like whole business. Like we grew up like watching like Fast and Furious and all these car like shows and stuff like that, and I never thought like we'd get to that level, like work on like something like this, a Veilside RX7 that was like on Tokyo Drift, and to build something like that, I think it looks even better. And to like just to do it, like it's such an awesome feeling, and customers really happy about the car, and I can't wait to see it around. People are going to be loving it. I think we did a great job, and I hope you guys like it out there.
It's a nice color. It looks sleek. Looks nice.
I mean, you can see for yourself. It's pretty beautiful. I think they did a good job with the color and the two-tone. The two-tone looks good. I think overall it's just like really nice. One of the best ones we have done so far. One of the cleanest. One of the best cars we have done so far, and I can't wait for more to come out of the shop. But A1, this one came out fine.
Shorty, te sacaste un pinche 10, compa. ¿Cómo piensas que salió el carro?
No, pues bien.
¿Bien?
Sí.
¿Neta?
Sí. Todas las cosas que hacemos aquí salen bien.
A huevo, compa. A huevo, pero ahí, honestamente, te sacaste un 10. Este es uno de los mejores carros que ha salido aquí. Y es casi todo por ti.
Okay. Gracias también.
This is my sister Sarah. Sarah is not like super into cars like us, but Sarah, what do you think?
But it matches my water bottle. Hey, it looks beautiful. I mean, the color is so unique. They worked so hard. I'm so proud of my brother. They really killed it.
All right, guys, and most importantly, you know, we all think that the car looks beautiful, came out amazing, but we're here with the actual owner of the vehicle, and we're gonna ask him what he thinks, right? Because he's the one that paid all the bill, all the money. This is exactly what his vision was. What do you think of the car, man?
I mean, what's to say? I mean, it speaks for itself, doesn't it? It couldn't be more beautiful. Like the time and effort put into this, it's gotta be unmatched. Nobody else puts out quality like this. It is my dream come true. The car has my heart and it forever will. Totally obsessed with it. Couldn't be more happy with the color, the bodywork, and the final outcome with the air suspension. All the fine details that make this what it is. True work of art. Everything these guys do. I feel like family. Couldn't be happier about it.
Right,
so thank you guys so much.
Bring it in here, man.
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm happy you're glad, man. We're gonna take a quick brief look at from when this thing first arrived to where it's at now. It was a lot of fun. You name it, it looks great all the way around. Now it's time for it to leave. We're gonna see some nice action shots of it, see how it looked like when it first came in to now it's finished. That's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna wrap it up right here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to the whole Veilside build. It was a lot of fun, man, and a lot of work. If you guys want to see more builds like this, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have many other builds like this, and follow us on IG for your daily updates, man. Thank you guys so much. Peace.